Hi, algebra students. One more day this week of reviewing and doing. So again, please have your calculators out. And you might want a straight edge too. Any type of a straight edge will help you out today. Okay, so I just want to introduce you. We're going to be doing XY tables, but I just want to introduce that this is also could be written as a function. Okay, so do you notice this is standard notation? This is how we're used to seeing things. Y equals mx plus b. So the mx plus b, the 2x plus 5 is the same. The only difference between a standard and a function is instead of my y, I write this like f of x. So today, if you ever see that, just think of it as y equals. Ignore it for right now, but I want to get you kind of used to seeing it, okay? So again, they mean the same exact thing. Okay, so if you ever see this type of thing, it's a table. What I want you to do is just ignore the f of x and just think of it as y equals 1/2 x minus 3. It's the same thing. I could say, no, I want to get rid of that, and that's really just y. Okay, and then you're just going to fill in the table. Okay, so for example, maybe I want to have -2, 0, 2, and 4. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in my calculator, and I'm going to do 1/2 times x, which I'm going to say is -2, minus 3. And in my calculator, I get -4. Okay, now don't clear it out of your calculator. Go up and arrow over. And instead of that -2, I'm going to put a 0 minus 3. Right? This is just calculator problem. Then I'm going to arrow up and I'm going to type over the 0 a 2. So 1/2 times 2 minus 3 gives me -2. And then I'm going to arrow up and type over that with a 4, and that gives me a -1. Then I'm going to plot the points. So I have -2, -4, 0, -3, 2, -2, and 4, -1. Ooh, I kind of missed that one. And I'm going to take my straight edge and I'm going to connect the dots and put arrows on either side. Okay. Again, all the dots should be the same because your slope is 1/2. You should recognize that. Okay. Same thing here. Oh, I see a function. Ignore the function. Think of it as y equals -2/3 x plus 1. And again, this isn't g of x. This is just really y. It's just a different way of writing it. Okay, so I'm going to put in like -3, 0, and 3. Okay, so in my calculator, I'm going to do -2/3 times -3, and I'm going to put that in parentheses plus 1. And here I get a 3. Again, I'm going to arrow up, and I'm going to just put a 0 in over that -3 in my calculator, and I get a 1. And I'm going to put in a 3 then, and I get a -1. Okay, that's all calculator. So now I go -3, +3, 0, +1, +3, -1. And they all need to be in a line. And use your straight edge and make sure you have arrows on the sides, okay? Okay, so today you're just doing a worksheet reminding you how to use your calculator, using straight edges and making sure all the dots actually line up in a straight line. Okay? Okay, have a great day. Let me know if you're having problems.